Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install Bitfinex application on your iOS device. So let's get started right away. First of all, launch open your App Store on your iOS device and then go to the search box. Type in Bitfinex and search. Look for the Bitfinex Trade Digital Assets application and tap on the download or the get button to start downloading the application on your device. The Bitfinex is a cryptocurrency exchange platform which allows users to trade a wide range of cryptocurrencies. Once the application is downloaded and installed, tap on the open button to launch open the app on your device. On your iOS, you can go ahead and allow to use Face ID by tapping on the allow button in the pop-up. Follow through the instructions and you will then be able to get started with Bitfinex. So that's how you easily download and install the Bitfinex mobile application on your iOS device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.